All right, so we ordered a jackrabbit, and we also ordered a Happy Run Pro. They both came same time order. This one was a little damaged, very heavy, and to make it better, it's covered in dish soap. So we're gonna have to deal with that. Slick as can be. All right, thanks FedEx for that one. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna get him inside. I gotta unbox that Happy Run before we can even take it in. So it's time to cut into the jackrabbit. What do you think, Luke? You gonna like the jackrabbit, or you gonna like the Happy Run better? I tell you what, I think the jackrabbit's gonna be easier to hook up than this guy. I don't know. We'll figure it out here in just a minute. I'll just go for a narrow spot. I did. Jackrabbit. Yeah, I think it comes with two. So we got batteries on each side here. So I ordered an extra travel battery.
Oh, I think
it came in the package. So. Yeah? You like that idea? You can go farther for faster. Shut that one off.
When you record it, if you're gonna make a video, you like to record like that.
You want it this way?
You have to restart the video.
All right, Luke. We're digging into the jackrabbit. Do you like rabbits? Do you like rabbits? You do? You like rabbits?
Yes.
Well, this is called a jackrabbit. Yeah.
It's faster than the rabbit. Maybe.
So we're getting the batteries out here. This is how she came packaged. Got this guy down in there. What do you think? We lift it out?
I bet we can. It's only 30 pounds.
Doesn't weigh anything. Alright, box out of the way. Alright, nothing else in there. There's a card down the bottom. That's what we're looking at.
Is that a carb?
Hey, where's the carburetor? Yeah. Alright, we got everything loose. This guy has a slot. Put it down in here, hit that. Lock her into place. It's pretty cool. This is kind of cool. That guy locks down. Front's on.
Look how little it is. Looks like a BMX bike. Next to the CD. That's it next to a short dude. He's like 5'3" or something.
Dude, it feels good. Feel this thing.
All right.
So what do we got? Price on the jackrabbit.
There's a power button right here.
All right.
You hold it and it turns on. It did turn on.
It did turn on?
It worked.
Hey, look at that. So we got like maybe, what, 8 minutes of unboxing time?
Yeah, and it's like 2 bars of battery.
All right. So.
Last week.
Is that all it's got?
Yeah.
What mode's it in?
That's top mode.
Right now, we got to call to unlock it.
You can hear it like wind down.
Yeah. Oh, cool. All right. So we got to make a phone call so that over 18, I have to prove that I'm over 18 so that we can go 4 miles an hour faster and peak out at 24 miles an hour is what they claim.
Yeah, it is like the same size as my RSA.
Yeah, take it over to the RS. Let's see what it compares like. So.
We can't move.
All right, so we're going to compare them after we get the Happy Run put together. So that took about 8 minutes to assemble that guy. And to ride time. We're ready to ride it. It feels good, doesn't it?
Seems like it'll be fun, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Let's go on to the next one. So it looks like the jackrabbit and the RSF are very similar in size. Happy Run. This is a g300 Pro. Our box got covered in laundry detergent apparently on its way here in FedEx. So that's the gloves.
Big staples, watch out. Watch out, you just put your finger on the big staple.
Got gloves on. All right, so shipping, pretty good.
Okay. I mean, there's a hole in the box, though.
There's a hole inside the box, but I did inspect it for damage.
Handlebars.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Ooh,
That looks nice too. It's got little flames on it. It goes faster.
Wow. That
Makes it even better, doesn't
Ooh,
it?
there's a shot. That's beefy.
What's that? Oh, the shot?
Shot.
Oh, yeah, sweet. All right, so there's the tire. All right, we're gonna get to unpackaging this baby.
I'm gonna show him the shot.
This guy out. Ooh, looks beefy.
It came with a mother load.
Hey, look at that. Man, came with its own zip ties. That's it. It's money there. All right, we're gonna dig her out.
Yeah, 30 pounds.
All right, battery looks pretty good size on this old Happy Run.
I mean,
Going
it
for
is
the
72 volt.
Yeah.
Big.
Happy Run g300.
There's the pedals and a bike lock. And it
Nice.
comes with a holder on the bars for the bike lock.
Ooh,
Pretty good.
that all comes in there.
Yeah, it's pretty fancy.
Yep. That's a big old mama jumbo. How much do you think that weighs?
Has a handle, so.
How much does it weigh?
A lot.
Careful, careful.
I don't.
Get off the edge of the table there.
Yeah.
You got it? All right, put that away for safekeeping. Are you gonna start charging?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think he's riding away.
All right, so there's the side view. It does have the pink. Looks pink.
Just covers for the
I know. That's the side view of the box. All right, we're gonna pull her out here. All right, so in this box, we got the shock came in that box. This box, we came with, we got a rotor. It's like one pedal maybe. Got the display, some bolts, and parts for the handlebars, I assume, and a toolkit for assembly. All right. Bryce is still digging in over here.
Whole side.
Looking pretty good.
Oh, look at these shots. Look at these. Oh, free ratchet strap.
Hey, look at that. How's it do wheelies, Bryce? Pull it back. Pull back on the bars. Oh! Some assembly required.
Not crazy, but. Look, they gave us numbered tabs for the plug.
Oh, nice. Sure, you can figure that out. 1 to 1.
Yeah, pretty easy.
2 to 2, 3 to 3. You ready for the display yet?
Yeah. Brake switch. Okay.
Here you go.
Appreciate it.
Nice. A brake switch. Can we bypass that?
Yeah, I think you can just unplug.
Unplug it, like the razor. Nice.
I got a plug.
Hey, look at that. It's working. Wintertime in Indiana. All right, so we got her put together except for the shock. We got to throw in there. It took us, what, maybe a half hour?
Yeah, it's not like that.
So she's all put together. We're going to throw the back shock in and then see where the battery's at on the charge. Maybe take it for a spin.
Right.
It's snowing out there, so we'll see how she does in snow. Now she's locked in place. There's a rail that slides down on right there, so it has to fit in there.
See the key folds in.
That's, no, don't. Take one of the keys off. Whoa, holy shit. I think the headlight works. Yep, works. That was right. Left works.
Damn.
Hit the horn again. Dang, that's loud. So you got plenty of horn.
Brake load.
got brake lights.
It works.
Sounds smooth. All right, so in comparison, the Jackrabbit's a little bit smaller than the Happy Run. They do cost almost exactly the same price. Actually, the Jackrabbit's a little bit more expensive than the Happy Run.
The battery.
Because I bought a spare battery, a travel battery. That one can go on airplanes. So if I wanted to go to LA and ride the boardwalk, I could take my Happy Run back home to where it came from. San Francisco, wherever, San Diego.
Somewhere.
Both of these came from California. They just got here today. We put them together. We're gonna go see how they run. This one supposedly does 20 miles an hour because it's not unlocked yet.
This one's in park mode.
And that one is in, I don't know what mode it's in, but it's supposed to do like 50 miles an hour at top speed. So we're gonna go see what they do together. All right, right here. Come over here.
Jackrabbit. Versus the Happy Run.
The Happy Run. We got them both right here.
Oh!
Whoa! Dude, this is tricky. This thing really wants to be upside down.
Alright, I'm gonna take it.
Let me get the camera. All right, so you saw us messing around there. Let's see how she does. Go for first run. What do you think?
That was 25.
Yeah?
Alright, Dad's gonna take a little lap on the little Jackrabbit.
Here's the Jackrabbit. Oh. It's faster than you think. It's cold. Got snow on your tires, so be careful. Hey, don't burn the tires up already.
It'll do wheelies.
Oh yeah. It gets good traction though.
Yeah. What? It just dead stopped. This thing's been pretty fun. I've been ripping it around a little bit. Came with a phone holder. I think Dad prefers the Jackrabbit. I mean, I've been ripping it around too. I rode it to the gym multiple times. Has a great battery life with those two little batteries. So did this one. Has a great battery life with the 72 volt something amp hour. He's going. We unlocked that one, so it goes like 26 now. Oh, they blocked off our trail.
We can't get through.
Yeah. We can't go. What the hell?
Make our own trail.
Yeah, we're gonna have to power through it, man.
Let's go around this way.
Ooh, I'm drifting. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna put my phone up. Good?
Yeah, we got some snow to rip through. Check out this, past the graveyard. Filling your shoes up?
We're out here on the jackrabbit in the happy run. Oh.
It's the best donut ever.
Because it's so small.
I know.